This is the ultimate fudgy brownie, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. First step, melt the butter and the chocolate. All right, everything is melted and combined. So while this is cooling, we're going to mix the eggs and the sugar together. It's going to start out yellow, and as it goes, it's going to turn into a lighter yellow color, paler. Halfway through, mix it all together. It will also increase in volume as we add air to it. All right, halfway through, scrape the sides of the bowl. Make sure to get the bottom. As you can see, it's much lighter and it's fluffier looking, so we are done. Add the chocolate, and then add in about a teaspoon of vanilla. This is vanilla paste. I prefer it because you can see the little bean specks, and then mix it all up. All right, step 4. You are going to sift together all of your dry ingredients, the flour, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, and the salts. Cocoa powder tends to clump, so it's better just to sift it all in. I guess the flour is clumping today too. And then you're going to mix it all together, and then we're gonna bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, probably closer to 28. The toothpick is gonna come out a little bit gooey, and that's okay, because once it sets in the fridge, overnight preferably, but you could just do it for a few hours until it's cold, it will set up to be rich, decadent, and fudgy. Almost there. Oh man, this is so everything. It smells delicious, the texture is perfect. I've lined this baking pan with parchment paper. It does make it super easy to take out later. And this is a pro tip for you. If you fold the paper up evenly, then you've got cutting lines. So every piece is perfect. Just smooth it all out, and then you're ready to bake. This reminds me of the Zen garden things at Brookstones. Does anybody remember those? You just get to push the sand around. There's something a little bit therapeutic about getting everything just even. All right, ready to bake. Okay, it's been 27 minutes and she's perfect. Just a little bit gooey, but this will set perfectly. Let's stick her in the fridge. Wait at least 3 to 4 hours. I usually just put it in overnight. Here it is. This looks and smells incredible, but let's try it. It is exactly what I wanted it to be. Rich, fudgy, and delicious. Like, share, save this, and after you make it, let me know in the comments how well it went. Follow me for more.